My name's Antoinette. Do y'all hear that? Me and Kate are connecting with nature. Everybody just breathe in. Breathe out. It's the wind moving through your soul. It's so relaxing. Woo.
We are thinking about going for a walk.
A walk?
A walk.
A walk.
Not just a walk.
The walk.
The walk. The walk.
You want to go for a walk, Kate?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for a walk.
Here we are, getting up. Getting ready.
As we are connecting with nature.
That's the mystery lake.
The what?
The mystery lake.
Well, let's go check it out.
Remember?
I remember.
With the little pebbles?
Pebbles. They're worth $1 million. They were worth $1 million.
Trillions.
Trillions.
But look,
They're
we took them. We took them.
I mean, they're all gone. They're all gone.
How's our walk going so far?
Walk is going good. We're almost getting out the gate.
We're almost there.
Almost there.
A pole.
A pole. Okay, you want to tell us about that pole?
Smooth.
It's
This
smooth.
is the miniature Moby Dick.
The miniature Moby Dick.
It's miniature.
It's miniature.
It's miniature.
All right. Now.
Look at the snake.
That's a hose, you silly. She got us. She did.
Let's follow the snake.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, it goes over there.
Into the bushes.
That
Go into the bushes.
is where the rabbit squirrel lives.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's Moby Dick over there.
Moby Dick. Aw.
Lovely. Your dad.